Someone's calling! Chickaletta and Roosterio are lost in Adventure Bay. Use Sky's goggles to spot them.
Drag the screen to search for Chickaletta and Roosterio. If you see the glider board, tap on it. Ryder, they're near Porter's Cafe. Did I see a yellow blur near the building? Now they're at City Hall! Oh no! They're... near the train station. I found them.
Thank you, Paw Patrol, for saving my precious Chickaletta.
And my far more precious Roosterio.
You're welcome. Whenever you're in trouble, just cock-a-doodle-doo yelp for help. Welcome back, pups.
Hey there! Welcome to my ABC Dictionary. Let's learn some letters together. Chase is on the case. Quilt. Let's put the... You. You. I. L. T. Quilt. A quilt is a blanket made from different pieces of cloth. Do you sleep with a cuddly quilt? Farmer, we've got some letters. Hey there! Welcome to letter construction. Are you ready to build some letters? Let's dig in. R. Use the crane to put the letter together. R. Great job! R is the first letter in run. Oh no! Humdinger did it again! He meant R! U! N! Run! Nice job! Run starts with R. Who's ready for a dance? Let's take to the sky.
Ready, set, dance!
Do you want to color with me? Hey dude, welcome to my beachside art gallery. Everest, red. Light blue. Tan. Green. Tan. Black. Pink. Blue. Totally awesome! Wow, my art gallery looks outstanding. Help me get these.
And before you know it, I'm driving in the parade and confetti is filling up my car's engine.
First, we'll clean the skid plate. Square! A square is a shape with 4 sides that are all the same size. It looks like a flat box.
Good work! Isn't it wonderful, Chickaletta?
Green means go.
Oh, it's perfect! Thank you, Rocky.
Happy to help. And anytime you have a leak, break, or scrape, just come see me and I'll get it into shape. Uh-oh, it looks like someone else needs my help.
It's their fault. They should have told me that the flower bed was muddy before I drove through it.
I can't fix a problem until we clean it. Rectangle. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides.
I could have done that. Are you done yet?
Green means go.
I suppose that's good enough. Thanks, I guess.
Happy to help.